Okay, y'all remember these eggs? Now we're getting ready to put them to use. Y'all see my ingredients. Y'all see the eggs, vanilla, nutmeg, cinnamon, all of that. So you know what we make. We are making French toast for these kids to have something to eat when they get ready to go to school. Y'all, I use about 20 eggs per batch, and we have 14 loaves of Texas toast. Now, in somebody else's house, that may last a while, but in our house, that's not going to last no time. I use freshly grated nutmeg because that's all I use. I do not use ground nutmeg in a jar. I love freshly grated nutmeg. It just works for me. And like I said, I use heavy whipping cream and milk. Y'all seen the milk and y'all seen the heavy cream. And I always use just a pinch of salt. Yo, we beat them eggs up, made that French toast. This was the bread. I think we had a total of 14 loaves. We had about 3 of these big, deep storage containers. I pre-filled the syrup so they won't make a mess. Y'all, go get Junebug and them so they can eat.